Isang symposium ang inilunsad ng Department of Trade and Industry upang palakasin ang micro, small and medium enterprises sa bansa. Ang detalye sa ulat ni George Bandola.
Panahon na para lalo pang palakasin ang mga micro, small and medium enterprises. Matapos na kilalanin ng Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation ang kahalagaan nito, dapat nabigyan pa ng dagdag na suporta ang mga ito. Kaya sa 2 araw na symposium, nais ng Department of Trade and Industry na makapangalap ng mga natatanging inputs para maging pulisiya na magpapalawak ng kakayahan ng mga MSMEs.
Such as resource endowments, infrastructure, skilled labor, human capital, innovation, and other relevant domestic policies. Trade policy alone is not sufficient. We need complementary policies for capturing value and upgrading within these value chains to ensure inclusive and sustainable growth and employment.
It's not enough to keep on saying that we want more and more micro enterprises to grow into small and eventually become exporters and go up the ladder. But the environment, we have to create the environment. We have to make the environment conducive. We have to make it easy for them to at least start a business.
Bukod sa tulong pinansyal sa mga agricultural communities, kailangan ding matulungan ng mga MSMEs ng napapanahong teknolohiya para makasabay sa pangangailangan ng mga multinational companies. Tumaas ang kalidad, makapagparami ng produksyon at higit sa lahat, manatiling matatag.
GBCs reduce entry barriers to international markets and provide avenues to expand exports, create jobs, and learn new practices. Participation in GBCs can enhance competitiveness by allowing producers to focus on specific activities rather than recreating the entire production process domestically.
Importance of understanding global value chains in today's interconnected world cannot be overemphasized, especially for the Philippines as we seek to sustain our high growth trajectory.
Global value chain, ito ang naisiguruhin ng bansa para manatiling exposed ang mga maliliit na supplier mula sa atin. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, George Bandola.